Introducing iiamo Go, the world's first self-warming baby bottle. Made in Denmark and designed by Karim Rashid, the leading industrial designer, having won a number of prestigious design awards. Like all of iiamo's products, iiamo Go is 100% BPA-free. iiamo Go is the only bottle in the world that heats 180 ml of milk up to 37 degrees within 4 minutes, without the use of electricity. Recognized for its innovative design, iiamo Go has won both the Good Design Award in Chicago in 2009 and the Innovation Award at the Kinn trade show in Cologne in 2010. Its user-friendly design enables you to disassemble it with ease, making it simple to clean and sterilize. The secret behind iiamo Go is the iiamo Warm, nature's little heating miracle, containing only salt and water. This disposable heating cartridge enables parents to warm milk anywhere, at any time. Made from polypropylene, the iiamo Warm is environmentally friendly, leading to emission of only CO2 and water. To use the bottle, simply remove the lid, unscrew the teat assembly, and remove the sealing disc. Pour in your expressed milk or formula at room temperature, filling the bottle all the way to the top. Then replace the sealing disc and secure by screwing the teat assembly back on. Now remove the trigger from the bottom of the bottle and place a iiamo Warm in the heat chamber. Replace the trigger and turn all the way, activating the iiamo Warm. Now, shake the bottle to mix the salt and water to fully activate the heating functionality. Once activated, the iiamo Warm immediately begins to warm, the heat being generated from the rehydration of the dried salt inside. Allow up to 4 minutes for the milk to warm up to 37 degrees, rotating the bottle occasionally to ensure it warms milk evenly. Once warmed, remove the sealing disc to enable the warmed milk to pass through the anti-colic ventilated teat, and you're ready to feed. Keeping the heating cartridge, the iiamo Warm, in the bottle until you have finished feeding your baby. Always remember to check the temperature before serving. iiamo Go. No electricity, no boundaries, no hassle, no BPA, and warm milk in less than 4 minutes.